If your website looks like it's stuck in 2013, this video is for you. We have designed hundreds of WordPress websites that actually win clients. And in this video, I'll show you 10 web design tools that are so good they'll instantly level up your next WordPress project. These are the resources smart designers use to make award-winning websites. So save this video and let's jump in. First is Elementor's AI Site Planner. Honestly, it's one of the best wireframing tools I have come across, and it's built right into Elementor. You just answer a few questions about your site type, goals, and audience, and it generates a complete layout structure and sample copy. It's the fastest way to go from no idea where to start to ready to build, especially if you are managing multiple client sites and need a repeatable process that still feels custom. Second is Color Hunt. Color Hunt takes the guesswork out of color selection. You can filter palettes by vibe, modern, retro, minimal, or by keyword and instantly get hex codes you can use inside Elementor or your theme settings. It's a lifesaver when a client says, make it look premium, but gives you zero direction. Just grab a palette that matches their niche and you're off to a strong start. Third is fontshare. If you want your site to look clean and professional, typography matters. Fontshare makes it easy to find open source fonts that look good together. Their Pairs tools lets you preview combinations for headlines and body text, which saves hours of trial and error. Ideal for WordPress builds focused on both performance and aesthetics. Fourth is musho. Musho is an AI plugin for Figma that generates full visual website mockups from a single prompt. Unlike wireframe-only tools, it adds real styling, color, layout, spacing, and even text hierarchy. Fifth is Blush. Blush gives you customizable illustrations using packs like humans and open peeps. You can tweak hairstyles, outfits, poses, then export clean, on-brand illustrations for your WordPress site. It's a huge upgrade from generic stock photos and make your UI feels friendlier and more intentional, especially on landing pages or about sections. Sixth is lottiefiles. If you want animated elements that don't kill your site speed, use lottiefiles. It's perfect for scroll animations, loaders, or interactive icons, and Elementor supports Lottie out of the box. You can grab something from their library or build your own. It gives your site that wow factor without loading a single GIF or video. Seventh is Jitter. Jitter is a browser-based animation tool for micro-interactions. Think hover effects, hero text reveals, and testimonial fades. It's incredibly easy to use and exports in code-friendly formats like SVG or JSON. I have used it to add subtle movement on premium sites, and it always makes the design feel more alive and polished. These little touches add trust. Eighth is Refactoring UI. This isn't just a course, it's a crash course in visual problem solving. Refactoring UI teaches you layout, spacing, contrast, and visual hierarchy, all with practical before or after examples. If you're a developer trying to make your work look better without hiring a designer, this is hands down the best resource I would recommend. Ninth is Airlift. A lot of designers forget that speed is a part of good design. That's where Airlift comes in. It's a speed optimization plugin that helps your WordPress sites load fast without heading 5 different caches or CDN tools. You can optimize images, reduce server load, and improve core web vitals, all from one clean dashboard. 10th is a combo, Designecourse plus Designemodo's best design resources. Gary Simon's Designecourse channel is a goldmine for anyone learning WordPress and UI UX. He covers practical design principles and how to build them inside tools like Elementor or Figma. Pair that with Designemodo's mega library of free resources, mockups, UI kits, illustrations, icons, color tools, and you've got a complete design toolbox. It's the power-up you need for upskilling and finding assets that upgrade your work. That's the full list, 10 powerful web design resources that will level up your WordPress game in 2025. So bookmark these, try them out, and if you want me to break any of them down in detail, drop a comment below and I'll make that next. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're going to love it. Click here and I'll see you there.